Drive 2017 F-Pace. The first Jaguar luxury performance SUV brings together sporty handling and dramatic beauty with everyday practicality and efficiency, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.